October 25th, relit from coals tonight. That's very nice. That definitely makes light up much quicker. October 25th, 2020. Here we are in the greenhouse again, watching these figs grow. That's really exciting. Looking forward to my first fresh figs off my own fig tree. I just thought I would do a real quick video because I talked in part 3 on how to build your own greenhouse about managing those environmental extremes and those temperature extremes. And I'll put a snapshot of the chart for the last 24 hours here in the greenhouse. Oh, and here's a great example. These are the DC stir fans. They just came on. I think I have them set on a 30-second cycle right now. You'd be amazed how much air these actually flow. There's one there. One here. Anyway, I just thought I'd point that out while they're on. Anyway, I was talking about how managing those extremes between nighttime and daytime is so important. And it wasn't super cold last night. I think we went down to, I don't know, I think mid-30s or so, somewhere in there. But it was cold enough that we needed to run the furnace and build up some thermal mass. And it's a great example in this chart snapshot of how the thermal mass temperature was relatively low when I started the furnace. You see it climb up rapidly, or relatively rapidly, and then you see how the thermal mass holds the temperature in the greenhouse overnight. I only did 2 stokes last night, and I just didn't feel we needed a third, and we didn't. And you'll see that reflected in the chart. And then later in the chart, today, the sun was out. We were lower 50s today, but despite the fact that it was fairly cool, it was pretty warm in here. And you'll see these spike points in the chart where the vents had to open and close to manage that temperature so it didn't get too hot in here. So just before we go on to part 4 and go into heating, I thought I'd illustrate my point just so you can better understand it or grasp the concept if you're not familiar. Anyway, this is just a real short video on that. I hope you found this interesting or informative. Thanks for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network.